Hi, everybody. Sid Rothenberg here, President of Reliable Information Technology. November is here, and for business owners in Chicago and the suburbs, it's more than turkey and Black Friday. It's a crucial moment to lock in your technology and security for the final stretch of the year. As your team winds down projects, buys new hardware, upgrades software, and prepares budgets for next year. This is also the time when bad actors ramp up phishing, ransomware, credential theft, and holiday season attacks. So here's your checklist. Are your backup systems tested? Are your employees refreshed on cyber hygiene? Is your software patched, especially anything reaching end of life? Are you locking down remote access while more people work off-site or review year-end data? At Reliable Information Technology, we're here to help you wrap up this year strong, secure your systems, and set up a plan that carries you into 2026 with confidence, not risk. Thank you for trusting us. Stay safe, stay alert, and here's to a productive and secure November.